Imagine waking up every morning to the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee. With an espresso machine, you can turn this dream into a reality. We're going to show you how to master the art of barista-style coffee at home with your very own espresso machine. To truly elevate your barista-style coffee, opt for freshly roasted, whole bean coffee. This will ensure the best flavor and aroma possible. A quality grinder is essential for achieving the perfect grind size for your espresso. Begin by grinding your beans to the desired consistency. Next, tamp your coffee grounds evenly into the portafilter. Apply firm and consistent pressure to ensure an even extraction. Now, lock the portafilter into your espresso machine and begin the extraction. The perfect shot should take around 25 to 30 seconds, resulting in a rich, velvety crema.
Let's start by making an Americano.
Let your creativity shine by adding steamed milk for lattes or for cappuccinos. You can even try some latte art if you're feeling adventurous. And there you have it, barista-style coffee at home. With a little practice and the right techniques, you'll be able to enjoy the perfect cup of coffee every morning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more coffee-related content.